So in the ABH Jackie Aina palette, I'm going to be starting off with the color Pinker. And I'm just going to go ahead and diffuse that by blending it a little more with just a regular blending brush. And I'm just diffusing the edges close to the brow line. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with Big Wig. And I don't think I've used Big Wig before, so we're gonna go in with this. I know it's gonna be pigmented, so what brush is this? I'm gonna use this Profusion brush, and it came with a Profusion palette that I have. So I'm just gonna take that like right at the crease. It's very beautiful, just deep dark purple. Go back in with that blending brush and blend that into Pinker. And the same on the other eye. This was my first Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm just amazed at the quality of these. I've, seen videos with, seen everyone use them and still hadn't gone out and purchased them. I don't know what it was. I don't know whether the shades and the colors didn't just call me, draw me into them. I don't know, because I've seen them and they actually have really pretty palettes, but for whatever reason, this one just like spoke to me. Like I had to have this palette. So let's see, I'm going to go back into Pinker on this eye and just add a little bit more at the top, and then blend that. I'm watching traffic go by as I put my makeup on and talk to you all. So, okay, back in. It's always, it's always one eye that kind of just doesn't want to cooperate, or the makeup just doesn't want to love on. I don't know. All right. Let's see. Which one is this? Okay, so I'm trying to figure out which blending brush did I use. Okay, so now, let's see, do they match? Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Shookington. This is gonna be like a very simple holiday look. I'm only using a few colors and I'm building on each one, and we may add a little twist at the end, I don't know, but I had only decided to use 3 colors initially when I started this video, but we'll see because now another shadow's drawing me in. But let's go in with Shookington, and I'm just going to use my finger to add it to the lid. Ooh. So pretty, so pigmented. So I'm going to do the same thing with the other eye. Look at that. I'm still working on my makeup taping skills here. Okay, so this needs a little more, and I'm almost thinking maybe I should have put Big Wig on this portion of my lid and then put this on top. But since I had never used the 2 colors at all, you know, I didn't know. Okay, so what I'm going to do after I add this last little bit on here is blend that. Then I'm going to go with more. So see, this is why I was trying to leave the other shadow that I was thinking of up in the air, because I think I'm going to need it. So going back in with Shookington. I'm just going to dab that on. Right in the middle. Then I'm going to go back with Big Wig, and I'm just going to go right over here. That's pretty. And do the same thing on the other eye. Trying to keep my eyes focused on the look, getting ready to take my brush and dab it into what I thought was the shadow I was using, and almost went into another one. That would have been horrific. Those are the things that get edited out. Okay, so I'm just gonna like blend that right in there. Right there. Okay, so go back into pinker. So we're going to go just a little bit more on the lid. I'm going to go into lituation. And I'm just going to go like right in the center. Okay, what's the situation? Lituation. Am I getting anything? Did not pick it up. There it is. Maybe you guys saw it before I did. Adding a little bit of that in there. Let me swatch that. Maybe I should have swatched it before I did that. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, can you see that? It's a satiny coffee color. So it looks more sparkly than in the palette than what it does on the skin. Alright, so don't know if I like the effect that that gave, because I really want a little more glam. So let's see. Okay. So we're gonna go with that. So I just went into Zam. I just used some Zam, so that's what we're gonna do. And oh, just a little bit of trust issues, because that's what I'm having right now, since the colors that I didn't, that I thought were gonna work out didn't work out. I'm having a few trust issues, only with myself. But I like the effect. This little accident is like working for me. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my brow line. I'm gonna go into my brow line with Soleil. I keep wanting to say Soleil. I don't know why. And I think this is spelled the same way as like Circus Soleil, I think. I don't know. Anyway. That is beautiful. I'm very pleased with this look. Alright, so now I'm going to do my lower lids, and I'm trying to figure out with this look, which was supposed to be very simple, it turned out to be crazy, but great. Like, I'm going to use some of Big Wig, and then I'm going to use some Zam. So, changed it up a little bit. Instead of Big Wig and Zam, I'm going in also with Pinker. And that is adding the pop that I want. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend. Oops. I like that. Now, right in the center, of underneath my eye, I'm just gonna go with Zam. Okay, in my inner corner, I'm going to use Soleil. Loving that so much. Okay, so now right, I'm going to go in with some eyeliner, just a little more. I already put some on ahead of time because I'm going to be putting some falsies on, and I am going to do those off camera because I am not the best at that, so I shall return. Got those falsies on. The lashes that I am using are from Sean's Beauty, and so these this particular style is called Starry, and so there's the name right there. Here's the beautiful packaging, and I just love glitter. I love it. But the packaging are beautiful. The lashes that I'm wearing are beautiful. I've already tried another set, and those are called Shauna, and that is actually her name. And I just want you all to just go out and try it. All you makeup gurus that purchase lashes anyway, Ardell, Kiss, who else? There's so many brands, but support one of your own. She's a YouTuber just like the rest of us, and she's gone out and she is becoming this super entrepreneur. So she has not only her brand Sean's Beauty, but she also has a boutique where she sells purses and other accessories on there. But I will try to add a link below to let you know her YouTube channel, her lash direct website, and then also her boutique website. So I'm going to go ahead and start using my mascara, which is in my lap. That happens. Oh, and the mascara that I'm using is the Maybelline Lash Sensational in the color black. I switch off from this one and the ColourPop one, which is Brownie Point. So I think that this actually completes this look. So I hope that you all like this look, and I hope that you all enjoy the makeup shenanigans that happen. I did not know exactly what look I was going to create today. I knew that I wanted it to be purple, but I was trying to make it really super simple, and it turned into all of this. So I hope that you enjoyed all of that. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Have a blessed day. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, and if you do, click on that subscribe button. Do not forget to click on that bell, because the bell is what allows you to stay in touch, and it is a reminder whenever I upload a video. It lets you know to watch it. So thank you so much. Take care. Have a blessed day, and I will see you all on the next video, God willing. Bye-bye.